In this tutorial, Arina will share how to do this cool and super easy marble design. To do this design, we will need a few gel polishes: dark green, black, and white, and the top coat. I'm using the one that is no wipe. Let's start by applying background, a dark green color. You don't have to apply multiple layers. However, it doesn't even matter how good or bad you will apply the background, as it doesn't matter in this design. Then I will take the drop of white gel polish and the little drop of black. I'm using the piece of glass, but you can use anything like a piece of foil. Another drop of dark green. This is the same color that I used to create the background. Then I will take the tip and apply top coat. You don't have to apply it all over the surface, only in the center. It really depends where you would like to place your design. And another important moment is that you don't have to cure it. Like, we need to have uncured top coat, and this is the only way of how this design will work. Then I start chaotically apply the colors. First I will apply white, and then black, and then white again. So now if it feels like there's too much white, we can add green. So basically we're creating some kind of a mess, but it looks better if you will have about the same amount of each color. But it also depends. If you would like to create a lighter design, you might want to have more white. So now I'm taking the regular straw for cocktails, and you can cut it or you can use the full length, it doesn't matter, and simply start blowing. If you will blow really hard, then the colors will mix a little bit and move a lot. But if you will do it carefully and slowly, you will see this beautiful marble look. You can practice with it first so you can feel the pressure and understand how it works. It also depends on how close you bring the straw to the product. The great thing about this design is that we're not curing it between each step. So that means if you will not like the picture for some reason, you can simply clean it and start over again. Avoid blowing too hard if you're working on the client's nails, especially near the cuticle or along the sidewalls, as we might risk flooding the cuticles. But if you did, simply clean it before curing it in the lamp. At some point we need to stop, and once you like the design, you need to fully cure depending on the product you're using. With mine it will be 30 seconds in LED lamp, and now we simply will seal it with the top coat. I'm using a no wipe top coat, so after I cure it for 30 seconds, the design is ready. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you, Arina, and we cannot wait to see your artworks. Good luck!